So I saw women running down Bloomington, trying to get them out of their hair. It was like a horror movie.
Oh my
So I
God.
wrote a
It
love
was
song
biblical.
called Cicada Blues, chorus 10 and 17.
I bet.
Ooh, love you, baby.
Ooh, love to love you, baby. Ooh, love to love you, baby.
I will come back for you, baby. Maybe 17 years from tonight, but I will come for you. Up from the ground through a hole this big, and I'll crawl. I'll crawl across the lawn, baby. Drag my freshly hatched ass over sidewalks and quiet city streets just to get you to come to me. I'll climb the most convenient tree I find and shed this hard, crusty exterior and back out of my pupil state. And when I'm dry and strong enough and I unfurl my clear wings, I will call to you, 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 call to you. And I hope you'll hear me among the million brothers in this humble acre alone, vying for your attention, and that you will come to me. Come to me now, baby. Please don't make my soul wait in the cold ground another 17 long years. Come land on my beach branch and we'll make sweet butt-to-butt love and place our progeny within the spent sapling soiled pulp under a heavy haze of June on a long-lost Indiana afternoon.
Woo!
And then together we'll die.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, love to love you, baby. Ooh, love to love you, baby. Thank you.